Hello, welcome to TISSA. In this session, I will show you how to set the time. There are 3 buttons at the back of the clock: Set button, Up button, and Down button. In the normal display mode, press the Set button for 3 seconds and hold till the display flashes. Then press and hold the Up or Down button to speed up the forward or reverse scanning of the digits. Press Set button to confirm. First is year. Then month, day, and time mode, 12 hours or 24 hours, then time period. The spot means PM. Now we finished the time setting. Thank you for watching.